And right when you start comparing Forex brokers, two names always pop up: Forex.com and OANDA. But choosing between them isn't as simple as it looks, because while both are trusted and widely used, they serve slightly different types of traders, and that's where things start to get interesting. Starting with platforms and tools, Forex.com offers a broader ecosystem, including its proprietary advanced trading platform, along with MetaTrader 4 and 5. On the other hand, OANDA also supports MT4 and MT5, but focuses heavily on its own FX trade platform, which is known for simplicity and ease of use. Because of that, beginners often find OANDA easier to start with, while Forex.com feels more advanced and feature-rich, and that difference naturally connects to trading styles. Now, when it comes to pricing, which is the most important factor for many traders, things get a bit more detailed. OANDA mainly uses a spread-only model, meaning you don't pay commissions, but trade with slightly wider spreads. Forex.com, however, offers both spread-only and raw spread accounts, where spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips, but include commissions around $7 per lot traded. If we compare spreads directly, OANDA often comes out cheaper for casual traders. Looking at additional fees, both platforms charge inactivity fees after 12 months, around $10 per month for OANDA and $15 for Forex.com. OANDA may also charge withdrawal fees depending on the method, while Forex.com has fixed withdrawal charges in some cases, so overall costs can vary depending on how frequently you trade and withdraw funds. Another key difference is accessibility. OANDA stands out because it has no minimum deposit requirement, making it very beginner-friendly, while Forex.com typically requires around $100 to start. And that naturally leads into usability, where OANDA is often preferred by beginners due to its simpler interface, whereas Forex.com offers more advanced charting tools, research, and analytics for experienced traders. Security and trust are strong on both sides, as both brokers are well-regulated globally and have been operating for many years, which means reliability isn't really a deciding factor here. And instead, it comes down to what kind of trader you are and how you plan to trade. So in the end, the better choice depends on your strategy. If you want lower spreads, no minimum deposit, and a simple experience, OANDA is a great option. But if you're looking for advanced tools, flexible pricing models, and better conditions for high-volume trading, then Forex.com might be the stronger pick. And that's where the real difference finally starts to make sense. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.